Welcome to Miss V Varieties Kitchen. Today, we're not just cooking, we're mastering the soul of Jamaica. From the perfect slow-simmered curry goat to our world-famous national dish, I am giving you the keys to the island's most iconic flavors. This is not just a recipe, it is the ultimate Jamaican masterclass. Let us get started.
Uh-oh, turn it off. Yes, I just wanted to turn the stove down a bit. So I've added all that, most of what I should added already. As you can see, the thyme, scallion, and I'm gonna add some, it's goat meat, guys, see it? Goat meat. And I'm doing some curry goat meat. So I'm gonna put just that I have. Seeing I didn't went to the market, I have to put what I have. I wanted some chocho in there as well. So I'm gonna allow it to cook down. I've already put in. I'm gonna put in some jerk seasoning. Guys, so this is how it looks. This is how it looks. And it's goat meat. See it? So I'm doing some curry goats for my dinner, along with some gungo rice and peas. That is it, guys. Some gungo rice and peas. Almost ready. See, guys? Gungo rice and peas. So I'm just here waiting on the curry to finish cooking. I need a scotch bonnet in it. Already washed. I didn't need a very big one, guys.
See that sizzle? That is the intensity you need. We burn the curry in the oil first to release the oils before the meat even hits the pot. But pimento and bay leaf, that's where the magic happens. Let it simmer until it is fork tender and the gravy is thick enough to coat a spoon. Now, while the goat is doing its thing, I have a secret to share. I usually show this for my mackerel, but listen close. This trick is the foundation of how we balance flavors in every Caribbean seafood dish. It is all about cutting the acidity and bringing out the natural sweetness of the sea. If you master this small step, your cooking goes from good to restaurant level instantly. You can't have a masterclass without the national dish, Ackee and Saltfish. First, we treat the saltfish with respect, boiling it just enough to keep the flavor but lose the extra salt. Look at that vibrant yellow color. When you add the ackee, you have to be gentle. We want those beautiful pegs to stay whole, soaking up the oil from the saltfish, the heat from the Scotch bonnet, and the crunch of the onions. This is tantalizing sweetness at its best. This is how we celebrate in Jamaica. A full Saturday spread made with love and tradition. This is the heart of what we do here at Ms. V Variety. If you're ready to master more island flavors and bring a piece of the Caribbean into your kitchen, hit that subscribe button. I'm
Thank
Miss
you
V
guys.
Variety, and we'll
This
see
is
you in
my
the next
dinner
one.
for today and a cup of lemonade.